Hello and welcome to the video by Productivity Spot. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I will show you how to get the readability score in Microsoft Word. Before I show you how to get it, let's first understand what is readability score. Here I have a Wikipedia page on Flesch Kincaid readability tests, and you can read through this to get some history and how it is calculated. But the important part here is the score range. Here it says 90 to 100 score is something that can easily be understood by an average 11-year-old student. So this is the kind of text that you would find in comic books or children books. Then there is 60 to 70, which can easily be understood by 13 to 15-year-old students. And then there is 0 to 30, which is best understood by university graduates. And this is the kind of score that you would find for Harvard Law Review or science journals. Now let's get back to Word and see how we can get the readability score for the text that I have here. By default, readability statistics are not available in Word and you need to enable it. So to do that, go to File, select Options, and within Word Options dialog box, select Proofing here, and then you have the option to show readability statistics. Click on this and click OK. Now we have enabled it. The second step is to select the text that you want, for which you want the readability score. So in this case, let me select this entire text. And now I would go to review, and within review I need to run the spell check. You can also use the keyboard shortcut F7. When I click on this, it says we are finished checking your selection. Want to check the rest of the document because there are no grammatical errors. I click on yes, and as soon as I do this, it gives me the readability statistics. Here at the bottom I have the readability group, and within this I have Flesch reading ease, and the score here is 76.2. So this is the score that you need to optimize. If you have text and you're ranging between 0 to 30, then that would be really difficult for anyone to read. You should try to have this score of more than 70 so that your sentences are easy to read and your entire text is easy to comprehend. A couple of things you can do to improve the readability score is to reduce the number of sentences per paragraph. You can reduce the number of words per sentence, and you can use simpler and short words. So this is how you can improve a readability score. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Thank you and have a nice day.